Right guys, I keep getting asked about where's the best hotel in Naga, Chris? What's reasonable, what's the rooms like? A lot, right? Now this hopefully is a video where I get a hotel to assist in that respect, but normally what happens when I approach a hotel is I have to speak to the manager who's not here at the moment, or just like the Regent Hotel, the manager's busy, she can't come down to speak to me. So this one's a fail, guys. So next I'm going to try San Paquita, see what happens there. It's all part of the video, guys. Now this is one of my favorite hotels, but unfortunately it's under renovation. It's the Moraville Hotel. We did approach them quite a while ago before the closed for renovation, and again it was, we'll have to speak to the manager, sir, and he's not here. These managers have a great job, I think. No manager is ever in the hotel. It's crazy. So when it opens we'll try again. Now can you see the problem I have, and I'm sure it's not just me? It's very, very difficult. The only way I could get details and how the room looks is to actually book a room, and it doesn't matter if I video then or not. I'm actually, you know, in the hotel. So again, let's go to San Paquita. I've just passed that and it just encouraged me to do a little bit on it. Now this is the San Paquita Tourist Inn, guys, right? It's just before you cross the bridge coming from Centro going to SM, but I've been here before and I got point blankly refused, so I'm not going to try that one again. I'm going to try the one round here, see what happens. But I think, I mean, look, we can't blame the staff. They, you know, they've got protocol to follow, etc. So if there's not a manager there to make the decision, then there's not a lot you can do. But this video isn't to, you know, knock the hotels over the head. It's just simply to show how difficult it is to get information and you know, video a room to show you what the room's like. Unfortunately the Eurotel has gone, it's not there anymore. There's another one in its place, and if I've got time I'll shoot over there and see if they want me to do a video, because they've just opened. Maybe they want some free publicity, I don't know. So this is the other San Paquita. I think I pronounced that right. Let's see what happens when I go in here. I can't video, guys, it's not appropriate until I know. So another fail, guys. She's got to ask the manager, and I know this is going to shock you, but the manager's not here, and there's no way of getting in touch with the manager, which is pretty scary, because if there's a situation happens, how does she sort? She's lovely, mind. All the staff are lovely. How does she sort a situation out if there's no manager? I mean, come on. So another fail, guys. Now do you see how I can't promote these hotels? I won't say this hotel's a good hotel because I just don't know. I won't say the Regent's a good hotel because I just don't know. It's just so difficult. Now when Mayor Bongat was mayor and Sir Alec was head of tourism, I guess all I would have had to have done, which I tried to do today, but he's on leave, I don't know why, didn't ask. I'm sure he could get us in, no problem. But try to do it yourself, guys. It ain't happening. So I'm going to try one last hotel. Well, no, I'm going to try this next hotel, or am I, because it's quite a long walk, or am I going to try the one where the Euro, I think I'll try the one where the Eurotel used to be, so I need to go this way. The hotel I'm about to video is just before you go over the bridge to 101. The People's Mausoleum statue is pretty easy to find. Let's go and see if I get rejected here as well. Now, this used to be where the Eurotel was, so we'll see what the response is from these. There might even be a manager on the premises. Success! Villa Rosita Hotel. It used to be the Euro Hotel, like I've just said. The staff are wonderful. The manager is a great guy.
Hi Grace!
I've got to talk to this other blogger. Look.
Please subscribe. I'm Brit in the Philippines with Chris Friend. Yeah. Please subscribe. Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out.